Hello, my name is Kelsey Davis. This is my website, Kelsey Davis Designs. I actually did have a previous website. When it came time to learning about registering in my state, I did find out that as long as I include my name, I don't have to pay. So I did change my web address, change my business name, and get everything all switched over to this new website. I make custom stainless steel tumblers. I do have a bunch of different options available to my customers, from glitter, wood grain, custom monograms, names. If you can name it, I can pretty much do it. So with this, when you come to my website, you've got a little bit of basic information on my website. Didn't want to give a whole bunch on the landing page. You can go into my shop. Very simple design that I did. I didn't want to go too all out, and at the same time I wanted to make sure I had enough information on there. So with my shop, you've got information on different things I can do, as well as my turnaround time on my tumblers. You can create your own. I've got kids cups, wine glasses, smaller cups, larger cups, teacher cups. So there's lots of different options that I have available, even sports teams and good old Harry Potter. The next option that I have, next site, is going to be my About Us page. This just kind of gives a little bit of background information about me. I started with an Etsy business. That didn't go very far. Created a different Etsy business, and that has been very, very successful. With a class I took last semester, I was required to start a business. I didn't want to just continue the one. I wanted to expand and see where else I could go. So I created these tumblers and have been very successful with it. So I enjoyed that, and I wanted to expand and take my product online, see where I could go from there. The next page I have is the Contact Us. I do work a full-time job, so this lets my customers know that I'm very limited to only being able to respond on the nights and weekends. With my stuff, I was actually very successful, mostly on Facebook. I was able to show all this information. Word of mouth helps. That was able to help spread everything. My offered discounts and specials to friends and that kind of people, anyone who may have spread my information, giveaways, that kind of thing. So that allowed me to be very successful in that. And so I did really enjoy being able to do that. My Google ads did get me some lots of clicks on my webpage. Unfortunately, it didn't get me any sales. So I'm not really sure what exactly people were looking for when they went to my site, because I did get a lot of clicks. I did get a lot of people interested in looking. They did go all through on my website, all the different links. So I'm just looking forward to making some changes and seeing where my business can go.